and welcome to Book Talk. In this week's Book Talk, we are talking about The Marvelous. So my first expectation of this book was that it was going to be very similar to the Inheritance games, but it really wasn't. And you're like, well, is it a good thing or a bad thing? That is the question. So The Marvelous, instead of having it be this grandpa who is leaving clues to figure out which son is going to inherit, or grandson is going to inherit all his wealth, this is a little bit different. So it's this fake social media platform called the Golden Rule, where people cannot hide behind usernames. You have to show your face before you can post. So the creator of this is named Jewel, and she used to post all the time, but then she took a sabbatical of about a year. And so now she's running what's supposed to be one last Golden Rule thing, only this one's called the Cruelest Jewel. So these games are not... It's not like the previous meetings she had. In the previous meetings, she did like a lot of mentoring and coaching and helping people discover their best selves or what they really want to do with their lives. In this game, she's actually pinning a lot of their fears, a lot of like tricks and puzzles and things that they have to figure out using this recipe that is supposed to help guide them through these weird challenges. They're all doubled up as different teams, and only one group of two or two people can actually win the final prize, which is $1 million. Yay! So it was interesting. Like, the challenges to me were like, ay. But I'm also not somebody who does like online video journaling and like keeps up with a celebrity person. But if you are somebody who like knows everything about your favorite person, then this type of challenge and this type of book are going to be great for you. So if you like a lot of clues, if you like mysteries, if you like trying to figure out riddles, all in like a social media platformy type thing, then I highly recommend The Marvelous by Claire Kann. All right, see you later. Bye.